Now the next step is we have to latch all the outputs using X4 and we have to unlatch all the outputs using X5. So we can extend this program which we have made earlier. What we have to do, it's very simple. We just have to add the outputs to the parallel of Y0, because if Y0 is latched, all the outputs will be latched by using the same auxiliary contact of Y0. So what we have to do very quickly, we have to add parallel lines. Out Y1, then again another parallel line, out Y2, then similarly we have to add out Y3, and you can add as many outputs which you want to latch. Y4, and the last one is out Y5. So that's it. That's how we can latch all the outputs using the same latching principle. So you can see that it has compiled and extended these wires. So again, when I press X4, this time my all outputs are latched because they all are getting auxiliary supply of Y0 parallelly. And when I press this X5, it will disconnect all the lines. So that's how it gets off. Again, all are latched and all are unlatched. The same we can see in the trainer. That's it.